rise, let it start. Put in work, don't push away. Not easy, no, it never is. But this is where the change begins. Turn the heat into a glow. Feel the light and let it grow. It's here, it's strong. Trust its path, it won't steer you wrong. With each breath, let it shift. Feel the warmth rise up inside. Now feel your strength rise deep and wide. But don't hold tight, just let it flow. Release the tension, let it go. Breathe it out once again. That's it, you're doing great, my friend. Feel the warmth, let it shine. 1, 2, 3, you're just fine. That's enough, you're strong and free. Trust yourself and wait and see. Turn the heat into a glow. Feel the light and let it grow. It's here, it's strong. Trust its path, it won't steer you wrong. With each breath, let it shift. Feel the warmth rise up inside. Feel your strength, feel the warmth rise up inside. Hold, let it shift. Feel the warmth rise up inside. Feel the warmth, let it shine. 1, 2, 3, you're just fine. That's enough, you're strong and free. Trust yourself and wait and see.